Hibiscus, yes, hibiscus is also there. Okay.
सर
Now, yes,
सर
सर
वेट
आज ये
सर वेट।
चैप्टर स्कूल में खत्म किया था उन्होंने, तो डायरेक्ट इंडिकेटर से ही शुरू किया था
इसके अंदर से।
स्कूल में ये चैप्टर।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, उसके बाद वो एसिड और बेस के उसमें आता है।
अच्छा।
Okay. Now we'll come to the synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator, they are not found in naturally, but they are man-made. So one of the synthetic indicator is methyl orange. Methyl orange. Methyl orange. Oh, methyl orange. Methyl orange, the normal neutral color is basically orange in color. The neutral one is orange. Okay. But in acidic, it become red. In acidic, it become red, and in basic, it become yellow. In basic, it become yellow. Who? Methyl orange. Usually, it is orange, but in acidic, it become reddish shade, and in basic, it become yellowish shade. Did you understand, Godwin? Did you understand anything? Hello, Godwin. Can you hear me?
यस सर।
Did you understand this thing?
यस।
Now, second one is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Phenol, PH, TH, PH, TH, ALEN. Phenolphthalein. Okay, phenolphthalein also in neutral, it is colorless. Phenolphthalein in neutral, it is colorless. In acid, it remain colorless. In acid, it remain colorless, but in this thing, in base, it become pink. It become pink. Did you understand, Amar? Ansh, Sammy?
यस। यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Next one. The next one is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. Now they are the indicators that works on smell. Smell. Those indicators who works on smell, they are called as olfactory indicator. Okay, they works on smell. Did you understand? They like basically what happened when acid is there, their smell remains same, but in base the smell get vanished. Like if you will put base solution, the smell of that will become vanished. So we have two indicators. First one is onion. So in acid, when the acid solution is there, there is the same onion smell is there. Like you put onion in vinegar, vinegar is acidic solution, onion is onion, that onion smell doesn't vanish. But if you will take a, like we used to say, no, I've been, you heard or not, like chef used to say, if you want to remove the onion smell, take that onion wash in the basic solution, like baking soda solution. Baking soda is basic solution. Onion, when you will wash it with that, then the onion smell will vanish. So the onion smell will vanish in basic solution. Okay, the onion smell will get vanished. Same with the vanilla. Vanilla. Okay, in vanilla, the means the on vanilla smell will be there in acidic, but in basic it will vanish. Their smell will vanish. Okay, done. Till here done. Any problem?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
Sir, can we consider litmus solution or litmus paper as synthetic indicators?
Synthetic? No, no, no. Litmus is only present in naturally, na? We are not doing anything. Litmus paper is also there. What we are doing, we are just taking light chains, we are squeezing them, making a straight paper, and then it is a litmus paper. We are not adding any chemicals into it. Did you understand? We are taking light chains, we are squeezing them, making a straight sheet of paper, and we are using for the testing. So we are not doing anything. So litmus paper comes under the natural only. Did you understand? Now put a
Yes.
heading universal indicator. Put a heading universal indicator. So the universal indicator, which is called, it is called as pH, small p and capital H. pH. pH is called as universal indicator. If the question in MCQ it will come that what in which indicator is called as the universal indicator? pH. pH is called as universal indicator. Did you understand, Amar? No.
Understood.
Okay, next one. The next one is um okay, how pH helps us to indicate. What is the meaning of pH? pH, pH, if I'm writing pH, it means that power of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen. It is called as power of hydrogen. The full form of pH is power of hydrogen. Basically, what pH do? pH pH count the concentration of H plus ions. What is the meaning of pH? pH count the concentration of H plus ions. H plus ions. And I will write it counts the concentration of H plus ions. Now remember this thing, guys. If like pH is indirectly proportional to 1 upon H plus ions concentration. Like the box, this box which I am making, this is not a normal box. This is called as concentration box. Okay, concentration box. In a solution, if H plus ions is high in number, then the pH value will be low. Are you getting my point? More H plus ion concentration, lower the pH. This is basically what it is. Godwin, are you there? More H plus ions concentration.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Lower the pH. I can give you the real formula of pH also, which is minus log 1 upon H plus I. pH formula is minus log. Now this log they usually not ask, but you should just have an information minus log 1 upon H plus ion concentration. Did you understand, guys? Amar, Ritika, Kunal, Anj,
Yes, sir.
is there any problem?
No, sir. No problem.
So, so basically, now listen, this is important thing. If H plus ions, like basically we know that acid releases H plus ions, and what bases release, Kunal?
OH minus.
Very good. So, if H plus ion concentration is more than OH minus concentration, then the solution is acidic or basic? Acidic?
Acidic.
Acidic? Then the solution is acidic. Okay? If if H plus ion concentration is equals to OH minus concentration. Everyone please pay attention. H plus ion concentration and OH minus concentration, they are equal.
Neutral.
Neutral. Then the solution is
Neutral.
neutral. And if H plus ion concentration is less than OH minus concentration, then the solution
Basic.
is basic. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes,
Sir,
Ritika.
sir, which one do we call hydronium? H plus ions or H3O plus ions?
H3O plus is called as hydronium. H plus ion is called as hydrogen ions. H3O plus is called as hydronium ion. It is when the H plus which is releases, it reacts with water to make H3O plus, hydronium ion. Okay. Now listen, because H plus concentration is higher, like basically we know that the pH at neutral is green in color and the value of pH will come 7. If pH value is 7, then the solution is neutral and the H plus ions and OH minus ions, they are equal in number. Did you understand? Now if H plus ions is more, then the pH value will be more than 7 or less than 7. I told you if H plus ions is more, the pH value will be
सर
less.
क्वेश्चन वापस बोलो तो
English, say in English, beta Sami. I'm saying
सर
that
व्हाट वी आर सेइंग
if H plus ions is more in concentration, like the neutral value is 7. If H plus ions is more, then in this case the pH will be more than 7 or less than 7.
लेस देन 7
Yes. So the value from it is red in color. Okay, I'm making red. The value from like pH value from 0 to 6.9, okay, that comes under the acidic solution. 6.9 slightly acidic, 0 more acidic, like most acidic. And in the same way, if I will talk about the blue color, pH, if it is 7.1 to 14, okay, the pH range is from 0 to 14. 7 neutral, 0.0 to 6.9 acidic, 7.1 to 14 basic. So then this one is called as basic. And remember this thing, I am making a circle. This one is most basic and this one is
Most.
most acidic. 0 is extreme side of acidic and 14 is the extreme side of basic. Yes,
Sir, basic will give blue color.
Yeah, basic also given bluish color. So I guess you guys have that NCERT pH table. You can also check the color gradient. The reddish color also is like acidic only, and the basic is blue color in the pH solution also. Okay, so basically there is no reading. Like you will not get, you will put the solution into this and you will get 7 number or 8 number. You will get shades, and in that shades there is a number line is also there. Like if you get bluish greenish blue. So greenish blue means the neutral, near to the neutral, and blue color is there. So means basic little neutral means 7, like 8 or 9 the value will be there. Are you getting my point what I'm trying to say? Hmm?
Sir, in textbook figure 2.6, it is all given in blue color.
Which one is given? Let me check.
So figure 2.6.
Just give me a second. Page number?
So 25.
No, that is different thing. That is not the table. I guess yeah. Check the figure 2.7. Can you check the figure 2.7? There is different shades are there. Can you see that? Figure
Yes, sir.
2.7. That is the real meaning. Like when you will put a pH solution and you will find out this thing. Now what is that one?
No,
Oh, where is my zoom? Oh no.
sir,
Hmm.
sir, I didn't understand the pH proportional to 1 by H plus.
Means if lots of concentration of H plus ions are there, which is in the case of acidic, then less pH value will come. Less pH value will come.
Yes,
This is what pH value means. You got my point?
yes,
Yes.
Like in acidic solution, we get pH solution always 0 to 7 because the concentration of H plus ions is more. Now the Gitika, the table which she was saying, I will make you understand that table also. What happening? Okay. Now can you see this table which Gitika was saying? So basically, you guys can see from 0 to 7, we have H. This one is H plus ion concentration, the blue color, and the white color is OH minus concentration. So, like before 7, you can see the H plus concentration is more and OH minus concentration is less. Now at 7, you guys can see the H plus concentration and OH minus concentration, they both are equal in number. And after 7, you guys can see the OH minus concentration is high and the H plus ions concentration is less. That is why they are basic nature. You got my point?
Hmm.
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, please
should we
repeat.
write this down?
Sorry?
Sir, please repeat.
Sir, should we write this?
I mean, you just understand this because they can ask you some question. Like I remember one question came according based on this also. So just read it, and I hope you guys also doing reading from the NCRT line by line. Important. I am giving you notes. That's not enough. I am repeating again. You guys have to read all the NCRT lines. One, not one time, two time, three time, five times. You have to read. Okay, Ansh. Ansh, before seven, can you see that H plus ion concentration is more and OH minus concentration is less? So it is acidic
Yes,
nature.
sir.
And after seven, this is seven, which is neutral. Both the concentration is equal in number. And after seven, the OH minus concentration is more and H plus concentration is less. That is why it is called as basic.
Okay,
Got my
sir.
point? Turn on
Yes,
the
sir.
camera now, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Which one of these is pH scale?
This is also pH, no? This is pH scale under the H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. Like how much H plus concentration and OH minus concentration is there.
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay. Turn on the camera, Amar, Ansh, Kunal, Godwin, Sammy, Amar. Turn on the camera. Kunal, हो वहाँ पे? Very good. Amar, turn on the
Sir,
camera,
सुनो.
please. Hmm.
Sir, my camera is on
Sir,
only.
Now today's your net is fine, Godwin. Turn on the camera, please. Yes, Sammy.
sir, अगर if I mark a point or the indication of H plus ion just very, very, very close to the 7. So what will it be?
More H plus ions or less H plus ions?
Less H plus ion.
Less H plus ions means the value will come here.
No, sir, very, very close to 7.
Still, if you are getting 7.1, which is very, very close, then also you will get basic. If you are getting 7.01, that 01 also count as a basic part because you now shifted to 7.01.
Weak basic or strong basic?
Weak because the strong, this is strong side. This one is
Okay, sir,
strong
okay.
and this one is also strong. This is strong acid, this is strong base.
Okay, sir.
Now, I'll give you what to write. Okay, so you guys leave 2 pages for that. Okay, matlab, like front page and the back page, just like that. Leave 2 pages. I'll discuss this. Okay, and then how to write, what to write. That you guys, I will send it to you. You write it down at home. Okay, this is all writing part. Now, first importance of pH in everyday life. This can come in 5 marks question also. They can ask you what is the meaning of pH, like how will you define pH in acid, basic, and neutral solution, and write its 5 uses. So that 5 uses that I will just tell it to you right now. First is plants and animals are pH sensitive. Don't write
Sir,
it
what
down
is the
there like
heading? Sir,
heading
what should
is
I write?
right now. Don't write anything. Just put a heading. Importance of pH in everyday life. Just write it down heading and leave 2 pages, front and back, like that. So I will send you after this class what to write. You guys see it and write it
Sir,
down. Hmm.
Oh,
sir, we
that
have to
pH in digestive
put
system and
heading
pH,
before
that
leaving
one.
pages or after.
Sorry, after heading, 2 pages, back,
Sir, we
front,
have to
or front,
leave
back, whatever the.
so before heading or after heading.
After heading, brother. After heading only you have to will write, na? What I'm telling it to you right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, first one is plants and animals are pH sensitive. Yes. pH sensitive means, for example, if animals living in aquatic, okay, right now there is protest going on near Jharkhand and near the villages of what is it? Kannur. I forgot the name, but totally mind off. So basically, what happening that industrial waste which are coming into the river, it is untreated. Untreated means the waste like acidic water and everything, it is coming into the river. And when the acidic water comes into the river is neutral, 7. But now acidic water is coming. Now the river pH will go down. And because of that, many fishes and many aquatic animals or plants, they will die. Because the pH decreases in the water. So plants and animals, they both are very sensitive to pH. Like for example, acidic rain. We used to say that the first rain of the monsoon is called as acidic rain because all the pollution and the water they mixed up and the pH like pollution like sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, they are non-metal oxide. And just now we learned that non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. Everyone got this? We learn na metal oxide basic in nature, non-metal oxide acidic in nature, carbon non-metal, oxide means carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide non-metal oxide, sulfur trioxide. These are the all polluted gas. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? No.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So
Yes.
these non-metal oxide, when comes in the water, it makes the acidic water. And when that acidic water come back to the earth in the form of rain, it is called as acidic rain. Now, when this acidic rain come, when it will come in contact with our skin will have burns. And this is literally real proof that a person he was enjoying the first rain of the monsoon and he got burns, literally burns. Okay, burn. So basically, it is called as acidic rain. Okay, and when this acidic rain also goes into the river, it lowered the pH value, and aquatic animal also die. Now, pH of the soil. pH of the soil means the soil has, if the soil pH is 7, means neutral, it is not good for the plants and animals. It is not good for the plants. If the soil pH is 7, it is not good. The pH should be 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. Means little slightly acidic and slightly basic if it is there, then it is good. Manure, cow dung. Cow dung, when you will put it, the cow dung make the soil pH acidic. Means 6 to 7. Did you understand? If you will put calcium oxide into it, like some farmers used to do, that if the soil is too acidic, they put chuna patthar. In Hindi, it is called as chuna patthar. English is called as limestone into the soil, so that they both will react, neutralize it, or comes to little acidic, basic also. Did you understand? They usually mix limestone into the soil so that the pH value decreases. So this is the use of pH. We are using pH. Are you getting what I'm trying to say, Godwin, Ansh, Sammy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, pH in our digestive system. Yes, our digestive system is there. For example, HCl. For example, Kunal ate burgers. He loves burgers a lot. He ate 8 burgers. Now that 8 burgers, because he ate too much, the stomach system will release lot of HCl to digest it. Simple thing. We have learned this. Now, lot of release of HCl will release lot of HCl fumes, which comes into the esophagus. It will give burning sensation because I told you in life process chapter that the mucus cell is around in the stomach only, not in the esophagus, not in the small intestine. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? The mucus, the protective layer is in the stomach only. So, lot of HCl releases gives fumes, and that fumes gives the burning sensation. What we used to do? We used to drink either Digene or Digene syrup or Eno These all are what? These are alkaline.
Base. Ah.
Alkaline, no, antacid. These are also called as antacid, means opposite to acid. Okay, milk of magnesia. These all we drink so that we can reduces the acidic effect and the burning sensation will go. pH completed. Now pH also leads to the tooth decay. Now we used to say no, like do
5.5.
brush, yeah, do brush morning also and do brush after like before sleeping, not after sleeping. Like in night after sleeping, do not do brush. Before sleeping, do it. Why? Because you eat a dinner. For example, you ate two gulab jamuns. Now gulab jamun is sugary. Okay. Now bacteria will come when you are sleeping. Bacteria will come, and that bacteria, when they will eat that sugar in your mouth, they releases acidic nature. So for that, because of that acidic nature, you can have that bad odor problem also. If you are having bad odor problem, if you are having bad odor problem, means the bacteria inside your teeth are there, then you have to brush it. Then bad odor, like when we do brush again, bad odor gone. Did you understand? One more thing. The acid releases by that bacteria can reduces the tooth enamel also. Now what is tooth enamel? Tooth enamel is
Calcium
like
phosphate.
tooth calcium phosphate. That is basic in nature. So acidic and the tooth enamel, which is basic, they react together, and the layer of the teeth become thin, thin, thin. Then when you will drink the cold water, you will get sensitivity. Like people used to say, na, sensitivity. It's give the sensation. Why sensation? Because the bacteria and the tooth enamel layer become very thin. Now nerves are there in our teeth. That when cold water comes into the teeth, the nerves they get sensation because of cold water. Did you understand, Amar, Godwin, Ansh?
Yes.
Self-defense by
Yes,
animals
sir.
and plants. In your book, I'll tell you the page number also. That part is very important. In your book, page number 28, the first dialogue box, the orange color, that is very important. First dialogue box, orange color, that is very important. It is a true story. I went to Darjeeling. I went to Darjeeling, and what happened in that Darjeeling? One of my friend, he just touched one plant. It is called as nettle plant. Which plant? Nettle
Nettle.
plant. Now, nettle plant is basically when you will touch it. So, nettle plants, that the point part have the acidic. This is self-defense mechanism by the plants. Like animals cannot eat it because
Hmm.
animals will eat, the acidic will go into their mouth and they will not able to eat it. This is self-defense mechanism by the plant. Now, what happened when my friend touched that nettle leaves? What happened? Burning sensation because acidic is there.
Hmm.
Now, near to that, there is
Or
one more plant, dock plant, DOCK, dock. That dock plant is basic in nature. Only near the nettle plants only. Every time near the nettle plants, there is a small dock plants are there. That dock plants, when you will rub it and when you will put it again, you will get basic again, neutral. Everything is normal. Did you understand? Amar, Kunal, say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Bee sting. Bee sting. Like bee, when bee using coming and like wasp and bee, both are different thing. Okay, bee, when bee cuts you, okay, bee give you a bite. Okay, that bite is acidic in nature. So we put baking soda on it. But wasp bite is, I think, alkalinic in nature. Let me check one more time. Wasp in Hindi it is called as tataya. Wasp bite is acidic, basic in nature. So we have to rub lemon.
So is it
You
an
know
insect?
what? You don't know what tataya, Gitika?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll show you the picture.
सर बहुत ज्यादा बुरा दुखता है हाथ सर, अगर हो गया मुझे। गांव में मेरे सर बहुत सारे हैं।
हम्म।
कोलगेट लगाते हैं सर, कोलगेट नमक।
नो नो, कोलगेट नमक नहीं लगाना, उसमें आपको वो नींबू लगा दो।
नहीं सर, घी भी डालते हैं सर थोड़ा सा।
कुणाल का बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस है ना।
अरे सर बहुत काटा है सर, 15-20 बार तो आराम से काटा होगा।
दिस वन, कैन यू सी दिस वन, दिस इमेज, दिस इज wasp. Wasp, 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 wasp. In Hindi, it is called as sataya.
Yes,
This
sir.
when this bite, don't put baking soda. Put lemon because their bite is alkalinic. Put a lemon. Done.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand? So this is how the pH works. Did you understand the whole topic? Can you write it down 5 points? If they come,
So
I will
what
give you
happens
the
if we
photo
put
also.
baking soda?
Yes, sir.
Baking soda is when a honeybee bites you. When honeybee bites you, honeybee releases acidic over your skin, which give burning sensation. When you will put baking soda, which is base, acid plus base, neutral salt and water, everything is normal. But when
But
Sir,
this,
when
when, hmm?
when we get bite from wasp and when what happens? We use baking soda.
No, don't use baking soda. Use lemon juice. Use lemon juice. I never tried it, lemon juice. But if science is saying that it is alkalinic, use lemon juice. Try one more time and then tell me the experience. Kunal,
sir,
one more time. Once more.
यस सर, अभी गाँव जाऊंगा तब ट्राई करता हूँ, अगर
Uh,
काटा तो।
put lemon juice. Yes, Sammy.
sir, what about red ants? When they like bite, they release formic
Red,
acid. So,
formic acid is there. Base, you need baking soda.
okay, sir.
Hmm? You are only giving me the answer. Okay, now put a big heading. Now after 2 pages, leave two
Salt.
pages and put a big heading called as salts, not salts.
Yes.
Improve your English. It's
Oh, sir.
salts.
एक तो आपने फिजिक्स में वो लाइट में नटूरे सिखा दिया मिक्सचर की जगह नटूरे
Okay, salts. Okay. Now, guys, salts are very important. The salts are only the main chapter in this acid base symphony. Acid base are normal thing, but salts are main thing. So please pay attention regarding this. So salts are produced by the neutralization reaction we learned. Yes, like neutralization reaction happen, the salts are formed. And usually salts are three types. I told you before also. Can you tell me what are the three salts?
एसिड बेस न्यूट्रल मतलब
Yes,
हाँ
the salts are three types. First is acidic salt, and the second one is
बेसिक
neutral salt.
सर it is said that there is no neutral salt, it is slightly acidic, slightly basic.
No, neutral salt can also be there. NaCl is totally neutral, not acidic, not basic. Okay. Now
Hmm.
listen. So acidic salt. Now Godwin will tell me. Acidic salt pH value will be from which to which, Godwin? If salt is there and it is acidic, I'm saying acidic. What is the value of pH range? Yes, Godwin. What will be the pH range of acidic salt? You're mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What is the pH value of acidic salt?
Acidic,
Like neutral is 7. And what is the value of acidic?
acidic with pH value less than 7.
Less than 7. So obviously acidic salt will also be less than 7.
Well,
Did you listen? Okay. Amar, not
Hmm.
Amar. Kunal, no Kunal. Sammy, pH neutral salt.
7.
Neutral will be 7. And basic salt, Ansh. Ansh, basic salt.
Sir, greater than 7.
Greater than 7. Very good. Now, Amar, can you tell me any
Ah,
example of acidic salt?
acidic salt, glucose, weak acid, strong base. Sir, when we will mix hydrogen carbonate plus sodium hydroxide.
Acha.
Uh,
So weak acid, strong base,
हाँ.
give acidic salt. Wow.
नहीं मतलब basic salt.
I'm asking about acidic salt.
Oh, strong acid, weak base.
So tell me one example.
Strong acid, weak base. कहाँ गया? हाँ ये रहा. MgCl2, magnesium chloride.
No.
हाँ,
सर
acidic salt.
अमोनियम क्लोराइड.
Ah.
अरे
NH4.
magnesium chloride होता तो है.
Cl.
No, no. Ammonium chloride is also not there.
Sir,
सर
Ammonium
magnesium
आपने
chloride
chloride.
लिखवाया है
is.
सर अमोनियम क्लोराइड
Ammonium
NH4Cl.
chloride is. Acidic salt. Correct. No.
सर आपने
Yes, yes.
लिखवाया है सर.
Ammonium chloride is acidic. Sorry, sorry. My bad.
Sir, magnesium chloride.
फुल.
Magnesium chloride is neutral.
कैसे सर magnesium weak base में आता है. Weak
कैसे?
base. Magnesium hydroxide.
It's a strong base.
Weak base.
Okay. Check your Google account.
Look, अभी कर.
Magnesium hydroxide, magnesium comes under the group 2.
Hmm.
Magnesium comes in the group 2, which is alkaline, which is the strong base. Got it?
Okay.
NaCl is
Both.
neutral.
सर Mg magnesium is weak base.
No,
देखा सर.
weak magnesium is not that weak base.
अरे
अरे गूगल कह रहा है सर मैग्नीशियम इज वीक बेस ऐसा लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
If you can see that magnesium
base.
itself metal element, but nutrient is dissolved in water, spawn magnesium compound. Magnesium hydroxide.
सर मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशियम बेस होता है ना. MgOH2.
Hmm.
देखा सर.
Very low solubility. Okay. So yes, magnesium hydroxide is weak base. Wow. Okay, magnesium hydroxide is also a weak base. Okay, you guys can also write it down. Magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. Mg2C, MgCl2. Let me check that.
यस.
But MgCl2 is a slightly acidic. Okay, its pH is 6 to 6.5. Okay, so it can also come in acidic salt. Okay. Next part. The next
सर
part
योर
is.
वॉइस इज क्रैकलिंग.
Hello, can you hear me now?
सर सोडियम
Am I
इथॉक्साइड.
sodium ethoxide? Sodium ethoxide CS3 COONA. CS3 COONA. Sodium. Okay, guys. Now we got this. Now put a heading common salt. Under salt, put a heading common salt.
NaCl. NaCl.
Common salt is basically called as NaCl. This is also called as table salt. This is also called as table salt. Okay. Now, now listen, guys. There is one heading called as like NaCl is made up of when HCl react with NaOH, it gives NaCl plus water. This is how
What?
you will get NaCl. Got it? Write it down under this. Common salt is formed.
Sir, wait.
Okay, okay.
Hello, can you hear me? Okay, write it down. Common salt is formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Common salt is formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution. Sea water contain many salts dissolved in it. Sea water contains many salts dissolved in it. Deposits of salts that is in the bed of sea, in the bed of sea, in the bed of sea becomes brown in color due to impurities, is called rock salt, and in bracket write it down kala namak.
सर बेड ऑफ सी के बाद
Bed of sea, brown in color due to impurities, are called rock salt. Rock salt.
Sir,
Okay.
rock salt के बाद what do we have to write in the bracket?
काला नमक लिखना है रे.
ठीक है.
Okay, it is called as rock salt. Okay, now put a heading chlor-alkali process.
सर बोर्ड पे लिखो तो.
Now guys, I am explaining this. So first I will make the diagram. So you guys also draw the diagram with me. When I am explaining this, don't write anything. Are you with me guys? Please, this is very important topic, okay?
Sir, will you draw the diagram?
What? What happened, Godwin?
Sir, should we draw the diagram?
Yeah, just now with me draw it, but when I'm explaining, then don't draw it. After my explanation, then draw it. Okay, now listen guys, this is important thing, please pay attention now. Now don't write anything. Okay, now basically
Yes.
this is a setup in which everyone turn on the camera. Amar, Kunal, turn on the camera please. Only some of the minutes are left, please pay attention. Kunal and Amar, Sammy.
Fine.
Okay, now we have here brine solution. Now what is brine solution? Salt in the water, it is called as brine solution. Only salt plus water, like the table salt na Kunal, if you will dissolve a salt into the water, that is called as brine solution. Okay, it
Yes.
is not a new word, you can make at home also. Take a water, take a tata namak, dish ka namak, dissolve it, you will get a brine solution. So what I did, I took the brine solution, which is NaCl plus water here, and what I did, I put two things, which is first is anode and the second one is cathode. What is anode? When I attach them to the battery, the positive terminal is joined to this, the positive terminal, this is positive terminal, it is joined to this part, it is called as anode, which is anode, and the negative terminal is joined to this, it is called as cathode. So what is anode? Positive terminal is joined to the electrode, it is called as anode, and the negative terminal which is joined to this, it is called as cathode. Did you understand? Okay, now what happened? Now what happened here, when listen, please listen carefully, okay? What happened here? Here NaCl and water, this is NaCl and water solution. So what happened, Na plus and Cl minus bond broken because of electricity. So this is because of electricity. Because of electricity, what happened, the Na plus and Cl minus bond broken. Are you with me guys? Say yes or no. Did you understand? The Na plus and Cl minus bond broken, and in the same way water also broken. So plus water, which is H plus and OH minus bond broken. Did you understand what I am trying to say? No. Here the water also split into H plus and OH minus ions, and NaCl also split into Na plus and Cl minus ions. Did you understand guys? Say yes or no. Now
No, sir.
Yes,
what happened? When
नहीं
this
आया सर.
brine solution pass through electricity, when this brine solution pass through electricity, brine solution is NaCl plus water, and this is electricity. So when it
Yes,
pass
sir.
through NaCl break into Na plus and Cl minus ions, okay, and H2O break into H plus and OH minus ions. Now what happened, this Na and this OH, they make a compound name as NaOH. Did you understand guys?
Yes.
NaOH. So this NaOH compound will come out from this tube, and we got alkali. This is called as alkali. This is called as alkali. NaOH. Did you understand? Amar, Kritika, Godwin, Ansh, Kunal, Sammy. Till here any
Yes.
problem?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. No,
sir.
sir. No problem.
Now listen this. Anode is called as positive terminal. Yes, because it is joined to the positive. And cathode is called as negative terminal because it is joined to negative. Now in this part, this H plus will go towards the cathode because positive negative attract. This is negative, this is positive, they will attract. Okay, and Cl, which is negative, will go to the anode.
HCl.
No, HCl not form. What I am trying to say, that in this H plus ions will go here, and H plus ions and H plus ions, they will make a bond. That bond will make them formation of hydrogen gas, H2. Like H plus ions, they join together, become H2, hydrogen gas.
Yes, sir.
So at cathode, what gas we got? We got H2 gas. Everyone got this?
Yes.
And this Cl minus ion, this Cl minus ion will go towards the anode. Cl minus, they will make a bond, and the chlorine gas we will get at anode. At anode we get chlorine gas. Now listen carefully. Please, still the work is not completed. So if I will talk about at anode, now we'll talk about first at cathode. At cathode. If I will talk about at cathode, so you guys know that cathode, like the negative terminal battery releases electron. The negative battery releases electron. Did you understand, Kritika? No.
Yes, sir.
We learn that the negative terminal, this is negative terminal, and it releases electron which is opposite to the electricity flow. Ansh, Kunal, Sammy, did you understand what I'm trying to say? मैं एक बार हिंदी
Yes,
में
sir.
बोल
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जो नेगेटिव टर्मिनल होता है ना, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज करता है. क्या रिलीज करता है बेटा? इलेक्ट्रॉन करता है, और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन उल्टे जाते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के. मतलब अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर राइट में जा रही है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उल्टा जाएगा. समझ में आया बेटा? तो
हाँ सर,
कैथोड,
उल्टे जाते हैं.
at cathode, what is happening at cathode, that two H plus ions came, like two H plus ions came together,
हाँ ठीक है.
two electrons, because cathode is giving electrons na.
Yes.
Okay, they are
Yes,
releasing
sir.
two, they are getting two electrons to become hydrogen gas. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I will talk about at anode what happened? They have, this is called as Cl minus. They are the Cl minus, no? Minus means they have extra electrons. So what they do,
हाँ सर.
when they come at anode, two Cl minus ions, they releases two electrons to become chlorine gas. So now listen, this is important. Here the electron is gaining, here the electrons are losing. Means the flow of electron is happening. That is why electricity is also working. What we told, electricity is the flow of electrons. So the electron is consumed, and the two electron which is consumed here, the two electron is released here, and the electricity is there. And electricity is opposite to the electrons. Electricity is also flowing. Did you understand, Gritika? Ansh, Gondwin?
हाँ सर.
Kunal, समझ में आया? Now this is the important,
Sir.
this is the important thing that we need to understand. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no now.
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Now write it down. Now it's your turn.
Done, sir.
Done?
Sir,
Everyone,
done.
Sir, wait.
yeah, write it down.
Sir, done.
Everyone done?
Yeah.
Did you understand? So
Sir,
if you are
wait.
good,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
at cathode, which gas we get? At cathode,
हाँ sir.
we get
H2
hydrogen.
gas.
And अच्छा
Okay.
cathode H2 gas, H2 gas.
H2 gas. And at anode, which gas we get? Chlorine gas.
Cl2 gas.
And we get
Chlorine gas.
NaOH. So in this process, we get three products.
Caustic.
What are the three products?
NaOH,
NaOH,
Cl2
chlorine
and
H2
gas,
and Cl.
hydrogen gas. So now we got hydrogen gas, we got chlorine gas. If you will mix this, what will you get?
CHCl.
HCl, hydrochloric acid.
Yes sir, 2 पे 2
Did you
पड़ जाएगा.
understand?
Yes.
No. So there are three byproducts. Three byproducts that we got. First one is NaOH, which is called as sodium hydroxide. It is also called as caustic soda. If somebody asks you what is caustic soda, NaOH is a caustic soda. We get chlorine gas also.
Sir,
Yes,
their uses come in the exams or not?
yes, they will come. They will come. That is why. Chlorine gas, and remember this, at anode. We get hydrogen gas also. At cathode. These are the three things that we get. Did you understand? Amar,
Okay,
write
sir.
it down.
मैंने लिख रखा है सर.
कब कब
मेरे
करवाया मैंने
एग्जाम
तुमको?
हुआ था ना अभी, ये तो इसलिए मैंने पढ़ लिया था चैप्टर पहले.
Okay,
हो
done.
गया?
Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll end the class today here only. Tomorrow we'll do the bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, water of crystallization, and POP. Tomorrow we'll
Yes
complete
sir.
it.
सर मेरे सिलेबस में साइंस का कोर्स मतलब 3 से 4 चैप्टर बचे हैं
हो रहा.
और मैथ्स
This Friday you guys have test.
Which chapter?
Acid, base, and salt.
Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay, Geetika or Sami, you can put the information that acid, base, and salt is there on this Friday.
गीतिका तू कर देना भाई.
Okay. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank
Signing
you, sir.
off.